Hi guys, I'm Shani. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn Ngomane. So if you are new, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you'll be notified each and every time whenever I post a video. But if you are not new, please do consider to comment, to like, and to share. So that is what I'm asking from you guys. So guys, you should know by now that I share business ideas that you can start in South Africa to make money. I'm trying by all means to share something that we can all relate to, and some ways on how you can make money in South Africa. So that is what I'm all about. I'm all about sharing information that I think that it will help you guys to have something. So if you feel that the information that I've shared, it can help somebody else, please do consider to share that information. Let's not be selfish with information. So guys, today I was talking to my brother around 7 a.m. Yeah, I phoned my elder brother, and then as we were chatting, so it came to a point whereby he was telling me about this other business, and then I was like, oh, okay. I never really thought about it, but then after he told me, I've thought about it, and then I did some research on it, and then that is the business that I would like for us to talk about today, because I'm all about sharing information. So I feel that there's other people that is going to benefit from this kind of business. So guys, the business is laundry business or laundromat business. You can make a lot of money if you start that business, because right now people don't wash their clothes by themselves. It's only a few who do that. And if you don't afford to buy a washing machine, then you are in trouble. Well, I do a cleaning service business. I have seen people asking me to wash their clothes while they've got a washing machine. So if you do this business, you can make a lot of money, because even though people have, like the washing machine, they are still lazy to actually take the clothes and wash them by themselves. So let's consider doing this business, because we can make a lot of money, especially if you are living in townships or if you are living in CBDs. That is where you can make a lot of money, because I've seen that. I live in a CBD. People don't wash their clothes by themselves, and there are flats like mine whereby they don't allow you to hang your clothes like in the building. So you are forced to go out there and to go to a laundromat to wash your clothes, unless if you are lucky. Just like me, I was lucky to find that my flat, like by the tub, there's some hanging lines where I can hang my clothes. So if you don't have something like that, maybe there's a shower in your room, then you've got no choice but to do what, to go and to a laundromat and start like to wash your clothes. So I feel that we can make a lot of money if we do this kind of a business. The business like the machines, like the washing machines, if you want the industrial ones, you are going to spend nothing less than maybe 15,000 going up. But you can start small. You can buy second-hand machines by Cash Crusaders, of which you can get them for like maybe like 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, somewhere there. If you want to buy brand new machines, you can also buy them at Game or whatsoever furniture shop that you want to buy them from. Like maybe you'll get like them for 5,000, 6,000, somewhere there. It will depend on the brand that you want to buy. But I would advise you guys to start small, then you can go big. And another thing I've seen that like here in town they charge around 34 rands per kg. I don't know now, but they used to charge 34 rands per kg. So you can imagine, guys, we can make a lot of money if we do this kind of a business. So I feel that we should try to take this into consideration, because here in town, I live in Devon. So what I've noticed, most of these businesses, they are owned by Nigerians. They are owned by there's an Ethiopian guy who also own this business. I've never seen this business owned by a South African black person. it is mostly owned by those people who are like from other countries. So if they do this kind of a business and they are able to survive, why don't we try these businesses? Because we can also survive. If they survive, we can also survive, guys. So let's do this kind of a business. So what you need is your washing machine, space to rent if you don't have a space, and you need your water, you need your washing detergent, you also need what, your stuff. That's if you are working. But if you are not working, you can try to find somebody who can invest in your business. Therefore, you can do things by yourself. In that way, you'll be saving a lot of money. And you can also try to add some businesses on top of that business, like sneaker washing. You can also wash what you call this, like small carpets. So you need to try to diversify, to make money. So guys, I feel that we need to try to do something like this. What else? So let me see. You can also try to do something that other laundromats don't do. Let's say, for example, let's say you can say that, okay, if okay, somebody brings their blankets, they want like to wash them, you can say, okay, you will pay for the blankets, and then maybe I can wash your bed sheet for free, or your pillowcases for free. In that way, you will be attracting customers. That is how you can make money. And as time progresses, when your business grows, you can approach, what you call this, the hotels or guest houses, lodges, and try by all means to offer them reasonable prices so that you can start doing business with them as well. So guys, we need to do something like this. I will see you on the next video, because I'm all about talking. I'm all about sharing business ideas. So I will come up with another business idea very soon that I'm going to share with you guys, so we can try to start something as South Africans. Let's not depend on applying for jobs, but let's also try to start businesses so that we can try by all means to leave something for our kids or for our loved ones. Have a wonderful day. I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.